Hello, class. So today we're going to go through examples of rational numbers. And we're going to be looking at rational numbers as fractions, mixed numbers, and decimals, just like it says on the screen here. So let's take a look. So first, we're going to look at rational numbers as fractions. A rational number can be written as a fraction with a numerator, which is the top of your fraction, and a denominator, which is the bottom of the fraction. So the numerator and the denominator. So here, the numerator is 3. Here, the denominator is 5. So this is a rational number written as a fraction, 3 over 5, or 3/5. 3 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So what we want to look at here on the next screen is, what are the numerators and denominators of the following fractions? So we have 3 different fractions here. We have 3/9, 4/8, 12/16. So here, the numerator of the fraction is what? It is 3. And the denominator is, we just look at the bottom, the denominator is 9. Hopefully that made sense. Go into the next fraction, 4/8. The numerator is the top, which is 4. Denominator is the bottom, which is 8. There we go. The next one, we have 12 over 16. So here the numerator at the top is 12. The denominator at the bottom is 16. So 3/9 is the numerator, 9 is the denominator, 4/8. 4 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator, 12/16. 12 is the numerator, 16 is the denominator. So that's looking at fractions, rational numbers, just as simple fractions. Taking a look then at mixed numbers. A mixed number, and we've seen these in class before, a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction attached. So we have a whole number, which is big old 2, and the fraction, which is 4 over 5. So whole number with a fraction is what we call a mixed number. And that's just another way of writing a rational number. So let's take a look at these examples. So in these examples, what are the whole numbers and fractions of the following mixed numbers? So we have 5 and 1/3, 6 and 2/8, 2 and 2/5. So just taking a look at the first one, the whole number, usually written bigger or larger, the whole number is 5. And the fraction is, look, I'm going to type it since it'll be easier. 1/3. I'll just type it that way instead of a number over a number. Sometimes you'll see fractions written with a slash as well. So the fraction part is 1/3. So 5 and 1/3. Then we have 6 and 2/8. The whole number is 6. Fraction is that 2. We have over here 2 and 2/5. The whole number is 2. Fraction part is the 2/5. 2/5. Okay, so that's how we look at rational numbers, as mixed numbers with that whole number, the fraction attached, whole number, fraction attached, whole number, with a fraction attached. And the last example are written as decimal numbers. Okay, so rational numbers is decimals. Here, we see that a decimal is a number that has a decimal point in it. A decimal number is a number that has a decimal point in it. So I made the decimal points red. So we have 0.97 decimal point there. 5.87, the decimal point pointing there. So the next question, okay, we know these are decimal numbers because they have a decimal point. Decimal point. So that's how 3 examples of rational numbers. Again, rational numbers written as a fraction with the numerator and denominator. Rational numbers written as a mixed number, whole number with a fraction attached. And then rational numbers as decimals, where we have a decimal point. So hopefully this was helpful.